Waking up between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. How many times did you wake up between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m.? And do you know what does this actually mean to wake up in this time period on a regular basis? If you want to know, then stay tuned with this video, as I am going to tell you some secrets behind this time section. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. So let's get started. It is said that the time between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. is very early morning, when the wheels between the worlds are the thinnest. When most of the people are sleeping at this time, the friction of energies of one another reduces. And this allows us to easily access the realms of spirits. At this time period, one can communicate with himself very, very clearly, and can also receive some clear messages and signs from the higher spirits. And this is the reason why this time section is considered to be the section of spiritual awakening. If you often find yourself waking up at this time, 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., then it might be a call. Yes, it might be a call from your angels, a spirit, or even from your own soul. As I already told you that at this time period, it is very easily you can make spiritual connections. It might be possible that your guardian angels or guardian spirits are trying to contact you, so that you can receive the much needed higher guidance. And receiving such signs and messages can improve your awareness and expand your consciousness, so that you can support yourself in your life. Just try it for once. If you don't believe me, yes, choose any of your problem that is troubling you, the most, and then wake up next morning at 5 in the morning. Just close your eyes and only think about how will you solve your problem. At the same time, try to connect with this whole universe by saying truly, please show me the path. And you will be amazed at how your spiritual angels or guardian angels will show you the right path. And if you often wake up between 3 to 5 a.m., then the chances of your connections with that higher spirit are really high. And you may receive spiritual guidance that can really put you back on the track of your life. Your mission and your purpose may become clear to you also. It is also believed that this time period leaves you in the stage between consciousness and sleep. This means that when you wake up, you often wake up at this time, you are not fully aware, nor are you fully asleep. You are somewhere in between the dream world and the real physical world. And this also makes this time phase easier for you to connect with the higher world, which may give you some clear spiritual guidance. Moreover, many people have phased out of body experiences during these hours, and which gives us a slight indication that this middle stage might be the entry point of some spiritual angels or guiding angels in our lives. These hours, this time period in the morning, are the most powerful hours to attract what you want from the universe, thus making it the best time to manifest your desires and goals in your life. The vibrations and thoughts you will create at this time frame will be so powerful that it can increase your psychic awareness and you may feel connected with the universe. And the visualization made at this time are quite profound and very, very powerful. That can really make a big difference, big change in your life. So if you really want to experience the true magic of this time section, this time period, then don't ignore. Yes, don't ignore the incidents of your waking up at this time often. When you often wake up at this time, just close your eyes, meditate, visualize, and try to connect with that higher power for your spiritual guidance. I hope this video will help. Thank you very much.